Okay, this will be a video to show how to operate a black belt control system. For starters, to turn the system on, you hit the black belt system on button on the bottom, and that will turn blue. The system is now on. To operate the belt, go ahead and hit the conveyor unload button, the top side of that. That'll bring up your percentage of speed that the belt is operating at. To increase that, push conveyor accelerate, the top side of this button. With each push, that will increase, as you can see. To decrease it, push the bottom side of the button. Once again, each tap will decrease it. To turn the conveyor unload off, push the button again. To reverse the conveyor, you can push the bottom side of this button and hold that. This is a momentary button, so you'll have to hold that to keep the conveyor reversing. The next thing would be to open the tailgate. So to unlock and lift the tailgate, you push the top side of this button here, and that would will unlatch the latch jaws and then raise the tailgate all in one sequence. You'll have to hold it till the process is complete. To lower it, you would push the bottom side of this button, and that will lower the tailgate and then latch the latch jaws. The only other thing that would be a button you would use here would be the input function. If you had a direct cast on your unit, that would be to get to the direct cast screen. Okay, in this video we'll show that these buttons up here can also be used in addition to the buttons below here. So for the system on up here, you use the OK button right here, which says system on underneath. That'll turn the unit on. Right here is the conveyor unload buttons. That will turn the belt on. If you want to reverse the belt, this button over here will do it, labeled conveyor reverse. As for the other functions, we have the conveyor accelerate here. So if the conveyor unload is pressed and you want to increase or decrease the conveyor speed, use the up down button. As for the side to side button, that's for the tailgate. So this is for the tailgate lift, and this is for the tailgate lower. These two buttons do not serve any purpose on this screen up here. Turn it back off, press the OK button.